Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cleaning and structuring your data. Headers in the first row, numeric series below, and consistent units. Once done, select the exact range you want graphed. You can Control+click separate ranges. Next, go to Insert and look at recommended charts to see quick matches, or choose a specific chart type if you know it: column, line, scatter. This first step puts data and intent together so Excel creates a meaningful default you can refine. Now you refine the chart so it communicates clearly. You should edit series properties. Right-click a series and choose Format Data Series to change gap width, marker style, or move to a secondary axis. Then format axes, set minimum and maximum, major units, and choose a date axis versus text categories when appropriate. Use Select Data to add or remove series and to switch rows and columns. This changes which ranges map to X and Y. Finish by polishing labels, colors, and export options so your chart is presentation ready. Add a descriptive chart title and axis labels, and place or simplify the legend. Use the Chart Elements button to toggle components. Make color and font choices consistent with your report and adjust grid lines for readability. Finally, export by copying as an image, saving the sheet as PDF, or embedding the chart into slides. Troubleshooting tip: if data looks wrong, check hidden rows, filtered ranges, or relative references in formulas.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.